Today we'll be making a tutorial video for the brides, the Igbo brides. So if you're new to this channel, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, please hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you get notified each time I post a video. And to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real Odogwu. So let's just get into the video. I'll be taking you guys from the beginner's level of the bride's dance. Maybe my next video I'll make an advanced video. By that time you must have learned the basics for the bride. Then in the next video I'll be taking you to the upper level of how to get your in-laws wondering. Okay, this is the first step you want to make. I've taught this step in my beginners class, general beginner class for Igbo traditional dance, but this, I think this is very nice for a bride. This is very nice for a bride. Okay, so as a bride you want to wear that peacock crown, that shakara crown. So even if you don't know how to dance, your pride alone, Igbo dance, I've said it in my last video, that Igbo dance is more of the smile you wear, your body movement, and the pride. It comes with a lot of pride. Buy pride if you don't have. Buy, because it saves you stress. So you wear your pride, move your body, move your body, move your body. Do all this with your smile. Don't forget the smile. That's the most important part of it. So this should be the first step for the bride. If you want to learn how the leg movements and all of these body movements, you can go back to my last video. I made a post on how to do the basics of the Igbo cultural dance. So you can use this as a bride. You can use this as a bride. Let's just practice with the music. I will teach you guys how this waist movement works. All you have to do is to push your knees forward. Push your knees forward. Once this knees goes forward, this goes backward. Once this goes backward, this goes forward. So start with this. Start with doing this. And once you can do this, add your waist. Add your waist to the movement. So something like this. Then when you now learn how to move your knees back and forth, you will now add the movement to your waist. You don't need to be stretching it like when you're practicing. You just be using it like as a beginner. You can't move your waist this fast without leaving your leg like this. So as a beginner, you just need to do the one that you can. That is moving your knees back and forth. So that's how it's done. Okay, let's try it out with music. Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Okay, so the next step you want to be trying is this step I taught you guys in the beginners class, where your legs goes by the side the way, not like this. You keep your feet, because you're a beginner, so you don't go and break your leg. You move your leg by the side. So everybody wait. Let's combine everything I've taught you guys together. Have you seen my beautiful baby? Have you seen my tomato baby? Oh, baby, softly they cool with them. Baby, the sugar. Everybody they wait. I can't know. If I didn't matter, let us put them on the kill. I don't want to beg him, Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video where I'll be teaching you guys more steps you can use for the Igbo dance and also for the bride general. So see you guys in my next video.